The Prime Minister of Thailand has been suspended by the country's constitutional court as it opened a probe into her conduct in a diplomatic spat with Cambodia. This was, the leader has been suspended over that leaked phone call with the former Cambodian leader. The Thai Prime Minister was suspended by the country's constitutional court on Tuesday as it opened a probe into her conduct. Now, a long-standing territorial dispute boiled over into the cross-border clashes in May, killing one Cambodian soldier. When this is the leader of Thailand called the Cambodian statesman in order to discuss tensions, she called him uncle and referred to a Thai military commander as her opponent, according to that leaked recording, which caused a backlash. My colleague Vishal joining us. Vishal, take us through the contents of that leaked conversation. This is a 38-year-old Prime Minister who's now facing major backlash for that leaked phone call.
Well, Divya, as you mentioned, in May, there was a big confrontation between the Thai army and the Cambodian army regarding that border dispute that you mentioned. And one soldier on the Cambodian side had been killed. So to allay those tensions, the leaders had spoken the following month. And there's a leaked video from that conversation that shows that, Thai PM has been speaking to the Cambodian counterpart, the ex-Cambodian leader Hun Sen, and referred to him as her uncle, and also said that one of the main military commanders in Thai army is her opponent. So this has created a lot of controversy on the Thai soil, and there are many protesters asking for Shinawat's resignation. She's already in a lot of controversies, especially when that earthquake struck Thailand and almost 80 to 70 people were trapped under a building. That had also created a lot of controversies, and on top of that, this fresh escalation in terms of controversies regarding Shinawat. This has resulted in a lot of pressure on her. The Constitution Court has already suspended her pending a review of the leaked conversation. There are also calls for her total removal. So that will have to be decided by the Constitutional Court, and that will be the next step probably, but too soon to say that. But of course, there's a lot of tension in the Thai main camp.